All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, this is a rather unique light from Milwaukee. Part number on it is 2127-20. This is a paint and detailing light. Now what this is a color accurate light. It has a button on the back that allows you to change the color temperature of the light coming out. This is literally nothing new. Behind the cameras are color accurate lights. That's what I use to light myself so I don't look horrible. They are set to 5600 Kelvin, which is a very neutral light, works best on, well, camera. This is a, well, aperture light that is also color accurate. It is set to 5600 Kelvin. And it allows me to, well, light certain things when I'm shooting B-roll and that kind of stuff. But it's a handy little light, again, set to 5600 Kelvin. So you could use that to, well, do the same thing this light does. That light, however, is USB charged and isn't in the Milwaukee ecosystem. But again, it's a, light, and it's got color temperatures, is what I would look like without lighting. So what we're gonna do is my white balance on my camera is set to auto. So we're gonna scroll through and we're gonna go through the settings. Now this is 27, a very, very yellow light. Well, 3500, 4500, and this is 5500. Keep in mind, these are all, kind of spotlighty, and then 65. Now they're all set to max brightness, but the point of this light is when you're checking, you turn my lights back on so I look right. The point of this light is when you're doing color matching and detailing on a car for paint, it gives you a very color accurate light to check that condition. I'm not an expert. Let me put that disclosure in here, but that's what the whole purpose of this is to check for the accuracy of your paint colors. So you can correct for issues and, make sure you're accurate on, well, color matching or getting rid of those swirls, the detail boys. And changing the color temperature can definitely show different contrasts in, well, paint. Changing the temperature on my lights here very much impact how I look on camera. If I go very warm on my colors, I look a little messed up. 5600 Kelvin is the industry standard for camera work because it's the most neutral. But when you're doing color matching, you want to look at in various lights. Sunlight, obviously, is going to be a different color than, well, pure white. The whole purpose of this is to make sure you get that color match perfect, you get that detail job perfect. Is this going to be a technician is this a auto technician type tool? No. No, unless you do detailing or stuff like that, probably not. A paint guy or a color correction guy or, that kind of thing, this is going to be great for you. I'm sure they sell other products out there like this, but it's going to be definitely something that you should look into if you're in the Milwaukee ecosystem, because let's talk a little bit about LEDs. LEDs, manufacturing-wise, can be considerably different in, well, their quality, their temperature. You can set panel A at 5600 Kelvin, or I'm sorry, this one's set to 55. I said to 56, but anyway, correction, it says to 55, not 56, my bad. But anyway, the LED quality, now this has got one big LED, but LED quality varies considerably. if you go with 2 different brands for, in my situation, lighting a video, it can do some weird casting. Just having, because I have 2-point lighting. Technically I have 3-point because I've got the overhead light, but if you've got one light that's at an accurate 5600 Kelvin pure white, and then you've got a different light that is not casting blue or purple or different shades, it can make it a little weird on camera. That's why you want to have actually matched lights, just for those YouTubers out there. But anyway, so if you're paint body guy, this would be something that would be good for you to invest in. Automotive guys, yeah, no. But as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.